Abby here, and for this week's video we are doing a clothing unboxing for an item that I honestly cannot believe I finally got my hands on. If you've been following me across my social media, I've been experimenting with different J-fashion styles, and one of the styles that I've become pretty interested in is Ryo Sangata / Jirai-K. And there is a setup that I have talked about on my Instagram story wanting to get my hands on. And they have not restocked it on the Liz Lisa website, so I went ahead and looked into the secondhand market and it's been a disaster. But I finally have my hands on the Many Hearts afternoon tea setup in black, which has been like, the second I saw it, I was like, I want it, and I never was able to get my hands on it. So yeah, this is the little infant I am holding, is my Liz Lisa setup. And yes, it is open only because my friend who shipped the order wanted to make sure that all the pieces were there. So yeah, we're gonna open this together. I'm gonna show you close-ups, I'm gonna style it. And yeah, so let's just get into it, because I've actually had this sitting in my closet quite literally, I think for a few months now. And I've been waiting for the opportunity that I felt the need to open something, and I have felt the need to open something. So yeah, I'm gonna insert a photo of what the item looks like so you can see it on the model. So if you don't know, setups are typically like a dress or a long top that comes with a matching skirt or shorts. I just think they're super cute, and I like them because like you obviously have the dress that you can wear, and I've seen people take the dress and wear it with a petticoat under it, or you could take the skirt and wear it with a sweater or blouse, and like that way you kind of just have more outfits. So I've been more interested in collecting setups rather than like blouses and skirts and things like that, just because I find when it comes to experimenting for me with fashion, I'd rather have like one kind of matching outfit that I know goes together rather than practicing pairing pieces together, because sometimes it just doesn't look the way I want it to, whereas a setup, I know it's supposed to go together and look nice together. Now, I will say I got this secondhand off of Mercari Japan. If you are looking into this specific print, I mean this so nicely when I say it's been awful. Like, I have tried to get this specific setup and I wanted it in black just because I liked the contrast of the print on the black specifically the most. The pink is also very cute, but I really wanted the black. And I kept finding people selling the pink, I kept finding people selling it without the bow, or people selling it without the skirt. So thankfully last year my friend was doing a Mercari Japan order and I was like, can I just throw this in there? And my friend was like, yes, of course. So yeah, we're gonna open it. And I definitely paid more than I should have for it. I could go on and on about the secondhand market and what a disaster it is, but I don't feel like doing that right now. Instead, I want to put on a very frilly dress. Oh my god, oh my god. The pieces are in my hands. Is there also more accessories, or is it just wait, oh, and the bow. Okay, let's go from the least exciting to most exciting. Treat myself to many sweets embroidered on it. That's what it says. I had to like go through it, but it says treat myself to many sweets, which is so cute. Again, this is an afternoon tea themed setup. I've never actually done afternoon tea. Should I finally experience an afternoon tea this year? Let me know. But yeah, it's the classic. I might have to sew this like button down a little more because it's a little bit loose, but it's good that I noticed that now. And then it's a little safety pin on the back, but I will probably stitch this down better just because it's, like I said, a little loose. So here is the skirt. So the top is this kind of like fake little lace-up design with a little bow, and I love the little heart lace on the sides. It's the little details. It is the little details for me. And then the print. Oh my god. She's so pretty. Oh my gosh. The thought of wearing just this skirt with like a pink sweater as like a casual look, I think would be super cute. Oh my god. And I love all like the pink. So it's all these like cake stands and little teas and little stuffed animals having the tea. Oh, it's so cute. And what I like, the back is fully elastic. I can't say like sizing wise what the size of this is because this is a one size item. I'm typically like a US 4 to 6. So I'm pretty sure this will fit me. I've gotten other Liz Lisa setups that fit fine, but again, there's a good amount of stretch here. And then, oh my God, what does the bottom say? Afternoon tea, treat myself to many sweets, romantic afternoon tea. It's just so sweet. Does this have shorts or no? And it has shorts. Oh my God, we love it here. We love to see a skirt with shorts built in. All right, now on to the main event, which is the dress that goes on top of the skirt. Stop, she's so pretty. So it's this very cute, like Peter Pan collar with little pearls. Oh, it's so precious. And then obviously the bow would go right here, but I haven't pinned that on yet. And then, oh my God, it's so pretty. And then it has these long white sleeves. I specifically wanted the long sleeve version as well, which was why I was such a pain about looking for specifically what I wanted, which I feel like is a good thing that I very much held myself to getting specifically what I wanted and not close to what I wanted, because it made me like be patient and not rush to buy things. But it's so pretty with the long sleeves and the little pink bows. Again, I love the contrast of this. Other black and white setups I do enjoy a lot the contrast of, because then I can wear like black shoes or white shoes or pink shoes. There's just many options. Along the top is like a smaller print of like little pastries and strawberries. And then on the bottom of the dress is the same print as the bottom of the skirt. The back is like a little like eyelet. So I don't know how great I will be at doing that by myself. And then it should be, I think there's a side zipper. Yes, it is. Okay, let's make sure the zipper works, because the person left the zipper open, which is fine. Okay, pretty smooth zipper compared to most Liz Lisa zippers. Actually, no, now it's kind of stuck. Can we not? Okay. Oh, and then I didn't even notice. On the back, there is also like a waist tie, so you can tie a little bow in the back. All right, I'm going to try this on. I don't know if I'm gonna fully, like I've clearly done my makeup pretty GRIK for today. I'm gonna maybe throw on some accessories and do a little outfit shot so you can see how I would style it, but I'm not going as over the top as I would like to. Obviously, the twin tails and everything, but it's also been a very long day, so I think I just wanna try this on and throw on a few little basic accessories and see what my final thoughts are. Sorry, I immediately needed to jump on and just tell y'all that it fits. It's comfy. The sleeves are like the perfect length for me. There's so much room. I feel very comfortable. I need to put the bow on and I'm going to style this. Okay, here is the setup on. I feel so cute. I'm like, I can't express how happy I am to finally have this piece. It fits me so perfectly. I paired it with lace socks like the model had, and then I threw on my Bubbles loafers because they are just the staple shoe. I wanted to tie my hair up in twin tails, but I cannot lie to you, I have such a migraine and I want to get this video done. But I think if I try to pull my hair in twin tails right now, you're never getting a video. That's just facts. But I feel absolutely adorable. I do want to try pairing this with a petticoat just because I think it would look better. The only thing, and this is just a me issue, or if you also have a short torso, right now I have the skirt basically up at my bust line, and I feel like it's peeking out slightly too much for my liking. Let me know. If you have this setup, does this peek out as much on you, like the skirt? Because I just feel like it's a little too much, and maybe the petticoat would help. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. But yeah, I'm super, super happy. I feel so cute. I love all the details and all the prints and all the embellishments. I just feel so princessy and pretty, and yeah, just really happy. Okay, after now filming a bunch of TikToks and taking a bunch of photos, I wanted to share my final thoughts. I am so happy with this setup. I think it is really, like, it feels very nice. What's interesting to me is when I've gotten a lot of Liz Lisa skirts, the zippers have been really janky, but I haven't had that issue yet with setups and dresses as much. So I don't know if just, even though they're both like invisible zippers, I don't know why I have a much harder time with the skirt zippers than I do dresses and setups. So the zippers are great. There's no issues. The fit is perfect. It's super comfortable. Again, the only issue I have is that because my torso is small, I feel like more of the skirt pokes out than I would normally want it to, but let me know what you think of how it looks. Again, I want to try it with a petticoat, and I'll probably film something else of me styling it with a petticoat. But yeah, I'm really, really happy with this setup. I swear if they decide to restock this after I've just bought this for like definitely overpriced, I will be a little upset, but I will deal accordingly. I will say, I think I paid, so not including shipping and tariffs, because again, I split the order with my friend, so I don't really know how to calculate that aspect of the price. I got it secondhand for about 150 USD from Mercari Japan. And I cannot lie, based on what prices I've seen on like Depop and Mercari for this setup, I definitely got a deal. But also again, it probably evens out from the tariffs and shipping costs. I do think certain colors of this setup are kind of more sought after. Like I was seeing the pink for a more reasonable price than I was seeing the black, which I think is interesting because I feel like more often people go for like the pink colorways than the black. So I was surprised to see that. Again, I prefer the black colorway of this, and I can't lie, now that I have this, I'm like, I should have bought Romantic Cosmetics when that restocked. I should have, but also I don't want to have only long sleeve setups. So if there are any short sleeve setups that you have from Liz Lisa or other brands as well that kind of fit this style, please let me know your recommendations for short sleeve setups, because I really probably should get some because it's gonna start getting warm soon. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching this week's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, yes you, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's right there. Woo! And in the comments, let me know what you thought of the setup. Do you think it's worth it? I'm very happy with it. I understand fully that spending this amount of money for one piece of clothes is very ridiculous. And I try very much to shop only secondhand. I really try to not buy brand new stuff. And I try to resist. Again, I did not buy Romantic Cosmetics, even though I really wanted to. And I'm like, I'm a little pissed that I didn't. But we're trying to be good. We're trying to be good here. If you would like to see more fashion content, I post shorts as well as other short form content on my social media to show off my outfits. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!